Hyperliquid's Hype token has surged more than 30% in just 5 days, reaching a new all-time high near $74. This sharp move has caught the attention of traders and analysts alike, as the token recently broke out of a classic bull pennant pattern, a technical formation that suggests the price could climb even higher, potentially reaching $105. The breakout happened on rising volume, which is a strong sign of growing interest and confidence in the token's upward trajectory. A bull pennant is a continuation pattern that typically forms after a sharp price move, followed by a period of consolidation. In this case, the consolidation began after a late May rally, which created the pattern's flagpole. The recent breakout from the upper edge of the pennant suggests that the bulls are in control and the pattern is resolving in their favor. The measured target for this pattern is around $105, which would represent a 45% increase from current levels. Some analysts are also using a longer-term cup and handle pattern to project a similar price target. However, the token's momentum appears stretched, with the RSI hitting above 77, a level. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Often associated with overbought conditions, this could signal a potential pullback, possibly dragging the price down to the 20-day exponential moving average near $58.32. A decisive move below that level could weaken the bullish case for Hype. Beyond the chart patterns, Hyperliquid is gaining traction in the blockchain space. The platform now ranks as the second largest blockchain by 30-day app revenue, with $57.9 million in that period. This growth is reflected in the derivatives market, where open interest in Hype futures has climbed to a record $3.5 billion. That's more than double the $1.41 billion open interest at the start of the year, indicating a significant increase in leveraged capital entering the market. The data also shows a lopsided bias toward bullish positions. Since May 20, short liquidations have totaled $126.28 million, compared to just $68.85 million in long liquidations. This suggests that bears are being forced out as the price rises, reinforcing the idea that the bullish momentum is still intact. The next key signal to watch is whether Hype can maintain its upward trajectory and push past the $105 target. If it does, that could confirm the validity of the bull pennant and the broader bullish sentiment. However, if the token fails to hold above the 20-day moving average, it could signal a shift in market sentiment and a potential reversal. Investors should also keep an eye on the RSI. If it drops below 50, that could indicate a loss of momentum and a possible correction. The broader market context is also worth noting. Hyperliquid's growth is happening alongside broader trends in the crypto space, including increased adoption of blockchain-based trading platforms and a rise. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. In derivatives activity, the token's performance is not isolated, but is part of a larger narrative about innovation and competition in the decentralized finance sector. While the technical indicators are currently in favor of Hype, it's important to remember that crypto markets are volatile and subject to rapid changes. A single large trade or a shift in market sentiment could alter the trajectory of the token at any time. The next few weeks will be critical in determining whether this breakout is the start of a longer-term upward trend or a temporary spike.